There are whole businesses in the United States that have been around for quite some time that their business model depends on high levels of racial and economic segregation. Perhaps one of the reasons we struggle so hard in the US to get beyond it in housing, healthcare, education is simply because there's money to be made, billions of dollars to be made by keeping it intact.
I say it again, what do you have to lose? Look, what do you have to lose? You're living in poverty, your schools are no good, you have no jobs, 58% of your youth is unemployed. What the hell do you have to lose?
First of all, you have to stop calling this outreach to black people, because it's not.
What is it?
It's an outreach to white people,
Exactly.
right? It's all it is. And every time for the last 10 days, people have been on television saying this is an outreach to black people. And that is a lie, and we all know it's just a lie.
Why is it?
It isn't a lie, because it is the most insidious kind of bigotry. It is the kind of bigotry that says, I will knock you down while I pretend to pick you up. It says that I am not talking to you, I'm talking to the guy behind you or over your shoulder. It is the kind of bigotry that says I am urinating on you and telling you to dance in the rain. This is the most horrible kind of bigotry.